tree planting. The most ridiculous job in the entire world. The tree planter is like no other human species. This particular planter has not eaten for 35 minutes. At this point, he will do almost anything for a meal. Once a promising young university student with high hopes of achievement in the civilized world is now lost, aimlessly wandering through the vast northern boreal forest. The lowest of the low in the world of logging. What was supposed to be a summer job to pay for school has now become the bane of their entire existence.